how to connect Ring Doorbell to Fire TV. All right, so your first step is fixing up the requirements. So before we begin, make sure you have a Ring Doorbell, a Fire TV device, and also you have the Alexa app installed on your phone or computer, and that all devices are connected to the same Amazon account and are on the same Wi-Fi network. All right, guys. So remember the requirements are a Ring Video Doorbell, Amazon Fire TV Stick, or the Fire TV Cube, an Amazon Alexa, and an Amazon account, and a proper Wi-Fi connection. All right. So the next thing you're going to be doing is enabling the Ring skill in Alexa. So all you need to do is just open the Alexa app on your smartphone, search for Ring skill, and enable it. Then sign in to your Ring account and allow Alexa to discover your devices. So it's actually that easy. And so it's just open the Alexa app, tap on More, Skill Games, search Ring, and then enable to use and sign into your Ring account. All right, now the next step you're going to be following is linking your Ring doorbell to your Fire TV. So in order to do this, just go ahead and open your Ring device. Make sure it is discovered. It will automatically be available on your Fire TV. You can also assign both devices to the same room within the Alexa app for seamless operation. And then you could now start viewing your doorbell on Fire TV. It's actually that easy. Just tell Alexa to show you the front door or answer the front door. The live feed will appear on your TV, and you can even speak with the visitors if your model supports two-way audio. And last but not least, make sure you have enabled the announcements. That's the doorbell announcements. So to receive notifications when someone rings your doorbell, enable announcements within the Alexa app. So open the Alexa app, go to devices, cameras, your Ring doorbell, enable door press announcements, and select your Fire TV. All right.